Welcome back. We are at Dulles Airport. Once again, trying to check in at United Airlines, which has just made it incredibly difficult to check in. You can't talk to a person now. You have to use a machine, and then the machine tells you that you need to talk to a person. What they should do is just have a line where people go in and talk to a person. But no, they got an automated system now that's supposed to be more efficient, even though it has yet to be more efficient. So United put my wife and I seats apart on both flights. I bought the tickets back in March, and yet we're still just like, might as well just be on different planes. And then they wanted to put me in a middle seat, and so I paid extra to not be in a middle seat because I am a princess after all. I just hope that the first half hour of this trip is not an omen for the rest of the trip. Finger cross. This is how the trip has started, with an SD card error on my GoPro. But hey, I am here at Dulles Airport, recording on my phone because, again, my GoPro is out of commission. So probably will have to buy a new SD card when I get to Argentina, and until then, I'm going to be doing any videos on my phone, it looks like. Yeah. I really, really hope this isn't an omen for the rest of the trip. I really hope this is just a fluke. We'll go with that. All right, so I picked up a 32 gigabyte SD card here in Houston. All this time I've been saying Dallas, but I'm actually in Houston. We're boarding. We're second to last. We're not quite last, but second to last. I think that's pretty... Second to last is pretty good. It's pretty good. Here we go. 9.5 hours went by like that. No big deal. We're here in Buenos Aires.
Artículos personales con ustedes, tales como libros, anteojos de lectura, computadoras.
Argentina. What the hell am I doing in Argentina? First we had to spend 20 minutes at passport control, and now it's another 20 minutes to just go through customs. You have to get in a line to get in a line, turn around and get in another line. Don't you love traveling? Woo! All I've got on is a sweaty t-shirt and a hoodie. It is chilly out here. And it's also hectic as AF. Hectic AF. All right, I think we got a cab. I had a really sketchy cab in Panama. If I can trust a sketchy cab in Panama, I can trust a mostly not sketchy cab in Buenos Aires, I think.
Mucha diferencia. In 28 days? No, more difference. Y de hotel también, you pay in pesos. You pay 50%